Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ZTE Blade A36 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the security and privacy. Then scroll all the way down to find more security and privacy. And here scroll down to localize encryption and credentials. Here let's tap on clear credentials option and confirm it by tapping on OK. Not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.